Hello and welcome to the AI-901, Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals Practice Exam, your smart starting point for building a strong foundation in artificial intelligence with Microsoft Azure. You're learning with BEEXAM, where more than 6,000 students from over 140 countries are preparing for Microsoft certifications and building real-world skills. You're now part of a global learning community, and we're excited to support your journey. Whether you're a beginner exploring AI, a student, a business professional, or an IT enthusiast, this course is designed to make Azure AI simple, clear, and accessible. This practice exam includes up-to-date questions aligned with the latest AI-901 exam objectives, along with detailed explanations that help you understand the concepts, not just memorize answers. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand core AI and machine learning concepts, explore Azure AI services such as computer vision, natural language processing, and generative AI, identify real-world use cases for AI solutions, understand responsible AI principles and best practices. Approach the AI 901 exam with confidence. This course is designed to be practical, exam-focused, and easy to follow, with examples that reflect real-world scenarios. Thank you for choosing BEEXAM as your learning partner. If you're ready to take your first step into Azure AI and move closer to certification success, let's begin.